Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel or TikTok. It's your baby boy ng Bonnie and Bacolod and fellow K-pop and P-pop enthusiast, Andre Martin. And welcome to another episode of Andre Reacts. And for today's video, we'll be reacting for the first time. Well, I'll be reacting for the first time to BINI in my channel or my TikTok. So magpipremiere na yung Cherry on Top MV nila. And 11 minutes to go, baby. Ready na sa premiere si kuya nyo. Annabelle. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pak, Stacy. Saan ka nila nag-shoot kaya? Oh, Mama Mary. Ay, grabe. US ba nila na-shoot to? Hey, Cherry! Ang ganda, Joanna. Hindi ko na sila manmukaan, be. Oh! Okay, AI. Sus. Taray, maloy. Ooh. Ganda. Cute. Oh. Okay. Oh, Pak. It's so cute. I love it. Very earworm siya, ha. So na Shopee yan, di ba? Cherry on top. Okay, ito na spelling. Let's go. Ay, gusto ko yung ano, pa-plastic na soft drinks. Okay. Okay. Face card. Ang daming ribbons si Maloy, be. I still don't know who my bias is, to be honest. Taray, good ingredients are hard to find. Let's go, BINI. Like when ko pa sila manood live, my God. Oh my God, hopefully sa October pala, be. Blooms, what do you think? In fairness, it's fun. It's fun. Yun ang masasabi ko. It's fun. It's refreshing. It's the cherry on top. Oh, how about you guys? Comment down your thoughts as well. Let me know. Follow me on my TikTok. Follow me, like, share. Let's go, guys. Let's go, Bloom. Stream na natin. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and stay safe. Peace out.